and fourth one is the automate audience segmentation. There are 4 units, so we'll solve each one by one. So first we'll see the unit 1. So before to start that, if you are if you are new on this channel, please make sure you'll subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon so you'll never miss the update. So now we'll jump on the first unit and we'll solve it. Just click here and open in the new tab, and if you want to read this all content, so you can go through that, and I will directly jump to the challenge. So here is the challenge, or you can scroll down and you can go to the challenge and you can directly click here and you will jump to the quiz. So here is the quiz, and in this quiz there are 3 questions, so we'll solve one by one. The first question, the first question is, what is the audience segmentation? So what is the answer? 1A is the correct answer. And for the question number 2, which of the following are the reason to segment your audience? So answer will be the C is the correct answer, higher click through rate. Okay, so for question number 3, which of these is a common way for businesses to segment their subscriber? So based on your purchase history. So B is the correct answer. Now click here and see the result. So great, you got the 100 points. Now we'll see the unit 2. Okay, just come here, and if you want to see this unit is completed or not, so refresh this page and you will see the green tick mark here. Okay, so now we'll see the second unit, organize your data. So open this also in the new tab, and scroll down. If you want to read this all content, you can go through that. I will directly jump to the challenge. Just click here, and you will see the challenges here, quiz here. So there are almost 4 questions will be there, and we will solve one by one. So I will not read this question directly. I will click on the answer and we'll verify it. Okay, so for question number 1, A is the correct answer, and for the question number 2, and question number 2 for D is the correct answer, and for the question number 3, second one B1 is the correct answer, and for the question number 4, D import activities, this one is the correct answer. Now we'll verify that all this is correct or not. So click on this button to verify it. So sorry, for 1 we'll see in the C. First we'll verify that. Let me check this. Okay, so that's the great, C1 is the correct answer. Now we'll see the next module, that is learn about the segmentation tool. So just click and open the new tab and directly jump to the challenges. Okay, so there are almost 3 questions, we'll solve one by one. So for the first question, C is the correct answer, mm, B1 is the correct answer, and for the question number 2, fourth one is the correct answer, and for question number 3, third one, C is the correct answer. Now just click here to verify the answer. So great, you completed this task, and at last there is a one unit is left, automate audience segmentation is the remaining. So for to solve this, you can click on the new tab and just come here and just you can scroll down. You will see the some challenges there, so you can solve this question. So better otherwise you can come to the Chrome and type my programming school. Okay, and you will see the first link. Sorry, my programming school, and you will see the first link here. Just click on this and scroll down slightly. Just come here and you will see the Trailhead Salesforce answer. Just click here and you will see the list of all the model, list of Trailhead Salesforce model answer. will be here the, and you will see in the third audience segmentation strategy. Okay, so you can just click here or open in the new tab, and you can go through this all. So scroll down and you will see the all the question. You will see what are the audience segmentation. Already we solved this unit once, and you will see the unit 2 organize your data, and unit 3 also we learned about the segmentation tool we solved, and the last one, fourth one is that, and automate audience segmentation is remaining. So you can come here and you'll see the, to see the answer just click on this and you'll see the answer is here. Okay, and same wise you can solve this unit third, unit fourth. So hope you guys you like this video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you are new on this channel, please make sure you will subscribe this channel. Thank you, bye bye, and have a good day.